So why does data analytics help you? Well, it helps you with visionary and strategic decision-making. It helps you guide your team into the future. It assesses better results, improves business process, and ultimately saves you money and makes you money. Well, going back to your picture, data pictures the data picture you're building. Could show you how your company is doing relative to yesterday, last week, last year, and 20 years ago, capitalizing on customers' purchase patterns, uncovering trends, modes of behavior, customer evolution. A customer who's been with you 20 years, how have they matured? And what about the new kids on the block? How happy are your customers? How can you deliver faster and better products? Okay, so for the retailers out there listening, there is a drastic shortage of size 5 hiking sandals. Now, I know this because I've been going to many stores, so please help me out. There's a search algorithm could fuel systems to deliver size 5 shoes to the right area, my area, Cape Town, at the right time yesterday, to the right customer, me, which will create profits for you and a very satisfied customer, me. It helps you try out new products. Data analytics has a process called A/B testing, which allows you to fail fast and fail forward. You can try new things, new products on a small set of customers and then analyze the results. If it fails, you haven't invested millions and you've learned something to continue and prompt you or change strategies totally. That picture that you're painting could let your sales force, you know how your sales force is doing. One of our clients needed accurate rebate reports. So we built an automated system to take data from their accounts package, fed into BigQuery and the analytical database, and produce dashboards so that their sales rep could walk into a customer meeting, open the laptop, and tell the client how much money they'd spent and how much money they could save if they went up to the next tier. So what was a process of days of the sales rep phoning the accounts department, the reports being pulled and then emailed to them, was shortened into just a click of a button. Your sales rep definitely looks a mighty lot better in that picture. Now, with guiding your team, it reduces time from data collection to action, delivers insights into streamings of your operation, data on where your trucks are in the field, what your travel patterns are, time between stops, how your conveyor belt is going, and how you can improve those processes. Now, making money, it saves you money by minimizing your logistic expenses. You can use automation. You can automate your jobs through artificial intelligence. You can also, all that data that you've been collecting, you can sell it or rent it out to other companies in need. And that creates marketing insights, and it can fuel machine learning data sources. So all in all, it improves business processes through automation and predictive analysis.